We will start with magnification. Magnification in a spherical mirror gives relative extent to which the image of an object is magnified with respect to the object size. Means if your object size is very small, then we have to magnify it and we have to observe it. For example, in microscope. In microscope, we have to observe many organisms under the microscope by mounting it on a slide. So that time we have to magnify it, then only we can see, because they are very much microscopic organisms. So like this, for that we require magnification of a mirror. Now here it is expressed. What is the magnification, or what is the formula of magnification? Magnification is expressed as the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. That means in formula wise, how we can write? Magnification is denoted by letter M. So M is equal to height of the image h dash upon height of the object h. So M is equal to h dash upon h. Now the magnification M is also related to the object distance u and image distance, that is v. So instead of height we can use the distance, object distance and the image distance. So here is the magnification. Now sometimes the height of the image should be taken as a positive for virtual image. If the image is your virtual, then you have to take height of the image as a positive. However, if it is to be taken as a negative for the real image, for real image height of the image is negative, and for the virtual image height of the image is positive. A negative sign in the value of the magnification indicates that the image is real, and if it is a positive sign, then magnification indicates the image is virtual. Now next one is one of the numerical is here. It may come in your forthcoming second test. Okay, so example 10.1, a convex mirror used for a rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3.00 meter. If a bus is located at 5.00 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and the size of the image. Okay, see, in the rear view we use first of all convex mirror. It is already we have studied in the lesson. So convex mirror is used to see the rear view. Now what are the values given over here? Radius of the curvature is given r, that is 3.00 meter. We will consider as a positive. Object distance u is, if the bus is located at 5.00 meter from this mirror, so behind, so it is, that is why it is minus 5.00 meter. Image distance we have to find out, that is v. Height of the image we have to find out, that is h dash. So what is the focal length? Focal length is equal to f is equal to r upon 2 according to the formula. So 3.0 upon 2, that is plus 1.50, it's a focal length. Now as the principal focus of a convex mirror is behind the mirror, that is already we have covered, behind the mirror. So formula will be 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. What we have to find out here? V we have to find out, adjust it. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. That formula will become correct as it is given earlier. So that is equals to, put the values, you get v is equal to, put the values and simplify it with the LCM, you will get v is equal to plus 1.15 meter. The image is 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. Okay, then next what we have to find out? Magnification M. M is equal to h dash upon h according to the formula, or instead of that we can use the image distance upon object distance. So minus, because here it is in u is a negative, so minus v upon u, that is equals to 1.15 upon minus 5.0. So again simplify it, you will get 0.23. So the image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by a factor of, magnification means by the factor of 0.23. Next one, example 10.2. An object 4.0 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15.0 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and the size of the image. What is given here? First you write that, if students, if you don't know how to solve the numerical, at least write whatever is given, because that data, it contains 1 marks. If it is 3 marks numerical, 1 mark is for data which is given in your numerical, in your question, that you have to write what is given there, what formula you are applying, for that you are getting half marks, and the rest 1.5 marks is for your calculation. So always, whether your answer is coming or not coming, but you have to write the data which is given in the question. So object size h is given, that is equals to, see, an object 4.0 centimeter is in size is placed at 25.0 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front means it is positive, it will come. Object distance u, it is minus 25 placed in front of, so it is the minus 25.0 centimeter. See this in a Cartesian sign, so you will get it how this sign is coming here. Then focal length f is equal to minus 15, because in front of a concave mirror, so it is a negative, minus 15. Image distance v we have to find out, image size h dash we have to find out, and formula, we have the formula again, single formula, 1 upon v plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon f. We have to find v, so 1 upon v is equal to, adjust it, 1 upon f minus 1 upon u, put the values, simplify it, you get v is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So here the screen should be placed at 37.5 centimeter in front of the mirror, so the image is a real image. Also magnification m is equal to h dash upon h or minus v upon u, put the value, you get h dash is equal to minus 6.0 centimeter. The image is inverted and enlarged, correct. Next one, refraction of light. Next we have to start with refraction of light.